Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 4. It is from section 3.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to answer how can you determine if a function is one-to-one? All right, well, it's always good to verify that a relation is a function. So I would say verify that the relation is a function. And we do that by checking the inputs. Each input has to have exactly one output. And you can also do that by using the vertical line test. So let's just note each input has exactly one output. And now to verify that it's one-to-one, let's write that down. Verify that the function is one-to-one. We check that each output has a unique input. And here you can use the horizontal line test. So each output has a unique input. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.